Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and a while back I did a review on HelloFresh. I tried them out for a week. I've noticed the last few weeks when I've done my shopping, I do my shopping at Pak'n Save. Apparently New World have them as well. I'm not sure about the other supermarkets, but they've started doing pre-made dinner baggies, very similar to HelloFresh style. And these are $20 for one of these bags, and it says they feed 4 to 5 people. This is what I'm going to be trying out tonight, the honey mustard chicken. Now I'm sure it won't be as flash as HelloFresh in the presentation and everything. I don't expect all the recipe cards and stuff, but it says on the front what is in the kit, what you will need, optional extras, and it's got the method written down and a little wee picture in the corner of what it is. So, you know, it's not, you don't get all the nice big flash recipe cards with all the step-by-step pictures and stuff. Let's get into here, see what we got. So, broccoli. We've got a jar of seriously good simmer sauce, honey mustard. Got an onion, got a capsicum, got a carrot, 500 grams of diced chicken breast, and some long grain white rice. So I mean, straight away I would say a lot less packaging than the likes of HelloFresh. You know, it comes just in a singular bag as you'd buy it in the supermarket. If you buy chicken in the supermarket, of course it comes in a plastic thing. Normally I buy my rice in bulk, but you know, apparently it should be ready in half an hour. So let's get started, see how this goes. Now, when I was doing the HelloFresh review, I went for the cheapest options there, which all up with postage and everything included, came to about $8.90 per person for the cheapest option. So if these ones from Pak'n Save actually do feed the 5 of us, that will be $4 per person. Now that's actually pretty good for what it is. I mean, this sort of thing's good as well, just for ideas. Just, you know, you get a bag, you get some ideas. I mean, it's all stuff that you can buy from the supermarket yourself anyway. And, you know, just go buy the ingredients next time if you like the recipe. Okay, consensus 3 out of 4 like this. This is really nice, but that one over there, she's a fuss pot on the best of days. So, you know, this is really yummy.
For me,
well done, Pak'n Save.
For me, 100 plus 100.
Okay, we are on to our second bag. I have to excuse a few things, one being the state of the kitchen. I've been working outside today, so I didn't have time for a major clean-up, and my cupboard broke, so, you know, Clint's onto that, don't worry. So, pork fried rice. Got the broccoli. We've got some diced pork. We have a carrot. Got another baggie of rice. Got a can of corn. Got a red onion, yum, a couple of cloves of garlic, and a couple of veggie stock cubes. One awesome thing about this is that normally on a day like this, when I've been outside digging all day, I'm shattered, I'll come in at 5 o'clock and I'll suddenly think, right, what's for dinner? And it's, you know, maybe a sausage and bread or just something really, really easy. Now, this says ready in 30 minutes, pre-packaged, boom, should be ready in 30 minutes. I trust it. What's your consensus, Sam? The fussy one?
Good.
The fussy one says it's good.
Ish. No, I actually find it's very, very nice. Actually,
Yay.
This
5
reminds
out
me
of 5.
of the Chinese fried rice we used to get in Pak'n when I was a little boy.
Yeah, I mean it's
You know.
it is. It's just like the takeaway stuff. It's maybe less greasy though.
So, I'm doing this one tonight, my mild beef con carne.
I mean, as per the other stuff, it's all stuff you can get off the shelves at the supermarket. We got some sour cream, got an onion, got some broccoli, got carrots. These are the chili beans I normally buy actually, except I buy the hot ones. So we've got some mild chili beans, some tomatoes with diced capsicum and onion in there, 400 grams of mince, I'd say that's the premium mince, chili con carne packet mix, I haven't tried that before, that'll be interesting, and some rice. I always seem to get rice things. What is it with me and rice stuff?
Now, here's the thing. This is probably going to become a bit of a habit for me, I think. I don't know that I'll get one every week, but to me, getting bags like these, it's a bit like having a takeaway. It actually is, and it's a lot more guilt-free, because at least I know the kids are getting some good veggies and stuff, so it's not like going and getting fish and chips. It is more expensive than getting the stuff off the shelf yourself, but it's a lot cheaper than getting a takeaway. And to me, half the joy in getting a takeaway dinner or something like that is that you don't have to think. You don't have to think about what's for dinner. And it's the same with this. Half an hour before dinner is to be ready, you open the bag, you know, and it takes all the thought out of it. You don't have to worry about defrosting anything. You don't even have to think about what you're having. The bag tells you what you're having. This week, just been done my shop, I picked up some cheesy enchilada mixture. So this looks like it's a vegetarian one. So this one, oh, we got some cheddar cheese slices, tomato puree, diced capsicum and onion tomatoes, some red kidney beans, some mild chili beans again, whole corn kernels, a lovely nice big capsicum, an onion, and 10 regular tortillas. And some noisy kids in the background. Oh, a couple of cloves of garlic and a veggie stock cube. First, a bit of feedback on the previous dinners. The first one, the chicken one, that was beautiful. Absolutely loved that one. Clint was not such a big fan, but he's not a big chicken fan anyway, so that wasn't really a surprise. But the rest of us loved it. The pork stir fry, the flavour was absolutely beautiful. The only problem was the pork was just a little bit chunky, and so because it was to be cooked in half an hour, I followed the cooking instructions and it was just a little bit on the chewy side. So I think if the pork strips had just been cut a little bit thinner, that would have been absolutely spot on. So if I do get that one again, I'd happily get that one again actually, and I'd probably just cut the bits of pork in half again maybe, just, you know, they were just a little bit chewy. What was the other one? The beef con carne. That was okay. It actually came out spicier than I thought. I thought because they gave us the mild chili bean mixture, I thought, oh, this is going to be pretty mild. But the spice mix that came with it had quite a kick to it. And we actually needed a little bit more yogurt between the 5 of us than what they'd supplied in the packet, just to douse that spice a wee bit. But that's okay, we can handle our spice. But I don't know, it was nice enough, but not really, you know. I probably won't get it again. Not really my cup of tea, if you know what I mean. But it was okay, it was nice for a change. Okay, official review from me. I did not do a neat job of dishing that up, let it be known. But I don't think this is meant to be a neat dinner anyway.
Nom.
Numb, apparently.
Nom. Nom.
That is really yummy. I reckon I should do this again.
Yeah.
Dad's missing out. Clint had to work late and he's getting fed at work, apparently. So he is missing out. Absolutely recommend this one, guys. Oh yeah. I'll be getting this one again, I reckon. So there we go. Would I recommend getting those baggy things from Pak'n or New World? Or I don't know if the other supermarkets do them, but I'd be interested to hear. Leave me a comment below if your supermarket does do that. Is it cheaper to go get the ingredients off the shelves yourself? Yes, it is cheaper. But as with any of those pre-made dinner boxes or whatever, be it HelloFresh or bargain box or whatever, you're paying for the convenience of having it all together in a pre-prepared bag with the recipe there. They were easy to follow recipes and they were pretty good. So, you know, not as fancy schmancy as the likes of HelloFresh. They were very nice basic stuff that you'd get off the shelf in the supermarket. So there we go, guys. Give us a like, leave us a comment down below, let me know if you've tried them yourself, hit subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.